Schools across Tamil Nadu are getting ready for partial reopening from the 1st of September if the government gives its go-ahead for classes from 9th to 12th. And we come to you from the Everwin Vidyashram Senior Secondary School in Chennai, where in fact in this class you see how the desks have been marked clearly, only one student on this. And the government has also asked the schools to have only 50% of student strength at any point in time. And joining us now, Ms. John Sahana, the principal of the school. Ma'am, thank you very much for your time. What specific measures are you taking to ensure the SOP given by the government will be complied with, ma'am?
Yeah, as you said, SOP release has come. So it is only one in a row, and it is only 50% of the student strength should attend the class. So in a class of 40, only 20 will attend in a session. So we are going for shift system. So maybe Monday, Wednesday and Friday, batch of students will be attending the classes, whereas the other set of students will be attending the classes on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, completely shift basis, and the students will be maintained social distancing inside the classroom and even outside when they go for the restroom, everything.
And how would you ensure physical distancing at all other places, ma'am?
Sir, inside classrooms, it is only 15 to 20 students. So, distancing inside the classroom will be ensured by the teacher who is present. And now we have intervals. That is the time when all gather together. So, each section will have a different break time. So, we do follow that. We make one section to come for one particular time. And in corridors also, we have made arrangements such that only few can stand in the boxes which is specified. So, once they come inside the room, only then the next room will be allowed for the break. So we ensure that even outside and drinking water wherever they go, we ensure a person being there monitoring the students, because first is that if we fail, then they may again go back to home, again lock down many things. So if we make them presence sure here, we can overcome.
Will things work, do you think?
Of course, it works. Like students, definitely they will help with this regard. They help us. They make us understand also things better. They'll cooperate.
And this would mean a class will be split into how many groups, ma'am?
Sir, like first we should ask the consult of the parents. Parents should be willing to send the child. If so, in a class of 35, almost all will be willing, say for example, then that class will be divided into 2 or 3 batches. It doesn't mean a section, it means the strength. It will be divided. Only 20 students will be allowed in one batch. The remaining will go for the next batch which falls on the next day. So they will be, parents do cooperate with us in the last year in this regard. So whenever the allocated class comes for them, so they come do. Others who prefer online education, like they want only online support, they need not to come to school, that is also being done. So for them to live sessions, we do record videos and send for the parents in YouTube. So that also will be going on in side by side for those who prefer online, and those who come to school, batch system will help them.
And how do you ensure physical distancing in school transport, be it vans or school buses?
Sir, like Everwin doesn't allow school transport for 9 to 12 students usually.
Okay.
Transport is there only till 8th standard. Because being board exam class, they have special classes, they have extra classes. So we don't have transport for 9 to 12 level as of now.
And it's mandatory all teachers and staff ought to be vaccinated, ma'am. Have you ensured that? How do you do that?
Yes, of course. Because in SOP it is clearly mentioned teachers 100% should be vaccinated. So as a principal, I tell all the teachers here are vaccinated, because we do run camps in our zone. So we do have regularly camps running. So every teacher in Everwin, including our correspondent also, he took along with us only. Right. So everyone were vaccinated, and we would feel that from our side we are safety. We want the parents also to get vaccinated. Right. So that if a child comes to school, here everything is ensured. When they come and go to home, in home also we need the parents to get vaccinated, so that both ends it is safety for the child.
And what do parents and students tell you when they heard about this plan, ma'am?
Sir, actually they started calling us. They started telling us when it will get open. They started stitching the uniforms. They are set ready. Those who have not paid also, they have started slowly coming to pay, and they are getting the books. They are eagerly waiting for the announcement, and they are eagerly waiting for the date from the class teacher, because class teachers do tell us parents are set ready. If date is released, definitely they will be sending them and supporting us.
How does it work, ma'am? Do parents complain, or do parents share their difficulties in terms of payment of fees because of job losses or salary cuts?
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Few tell, but they are able to gather, and they are doing it for the students, because
Full fee is collected, or is it only a part?
No, sir. Like whatever decision is taken by sir, some come for concession, and also we have given COVID waiver for many parents. 10% discount is given for all the parents. They can take it as a waiver in their fee. If they have already paid also, in the next year fee it is adjusted. So fees is not a problem at all. Our sir is ready to give concession, and he is giving multiples of thousands concession to many parents. So parents do support us in that stream also.
And ma'am, tell us about the impact of online learning over the last 16 months. Has the quality of learning suffered in any way, or how would you assess?
So according to us, the quality doesn't deviate anywhere. It enhances further, because in school it is a teaching within four walls. People learn, but when it is online, like they refer, they surf, they want to get more education, they learn. The quality doesn't deviate anything. The only one thing is they lost the physical contact. If they get a doubt, then and there they used to get clarified from the teacher, and the teacher will be a source of encyclopedia, and she gives everything. Now that is little late delivered to them. They either call the teacher, get it clarified, and we have Zoom sessions every day. 3 Zoom we are having, so morning, afternoon and evening, with the TT also. TT is like the test. Whatever done in the Zoom, they used to write a test. So then and there it is clarified. The quality doesn't deviate anywhere. The only thing is the doubts being clarified, little late they get it clarified, and some set of people need teaching in person physically with the teacher. So that
you don't have issues of digital divide, people from underprivileged backgrounds not being able to get internet access or smartphones?
Not like that. All the people are accessed. In the beginning stage, last year in the beginning, maybe 1 or 2 they had, but they came to know that we have to adopt the education in this manner only. So everybody, whether we have Google Meet or Zoom Meet, they are well equipped. Even they support us in that too also. Not a problem.
You're quite confident coming to school will be safe for both students and teachers, ma'am?
That depends. Students should cooperate. Teachers from our side, if a management is taking decision, definitely teachers and the management will cooperate. We want the complete cooperate from parents' side. As I told before, they should get first vaccinated. They should ensure safety is even followed in their home. Here we do follow, because of people monitoring everything. They too should take it as serious, and if they do follow, then no problem. Everyone should cooperate with things and let the things go smooth.
Compared to the situation last year when schools reopened after the long closure, ma'am, what's different this time?
Sir, we are waiting eagerly. Even students, parents, they wish schools to get open. When everything's were like shopping malls, everything got open, why not the educational system? Though online education is very good for a new set of entry for the students, set of students prefer physical teaching. So they love to come to school. They feel bored for almost 16 to 17 months staying in home. They want the physical presence of the teacher, and they are very happy and they are eager to come for attending the classes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you, sir.
That was Ms. John Sahana, the principal of Everwin Vidyashram, talking to us on how they're getting ready to reopen schools partially once the government gives its go-ahead. In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.